girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, sauce, you drippin' swag goo. Oh.
We're on our way to. Can we say it or just wait till we get there?
We'll just wait till we get there. We're just at the airport waiting for our flight. It's freaking 7:43 in the from Barcelona.
Marie, where are you going?
I'm hungry. Yeah, we're hungry, like, for real.
I'm hungry and I can't even do a bed. And they're not drunk.
Okay, just pull back.
Move this one.
No, if I let go of it, I will never go back in. Okay, look. Why do I feel like we're drunk?
And you haven't drank anything.
Nothing. We drink water. We got
water.
Of water.
Hey guys.
Tom, how are you?
I went to this bar around the corner.
Come and help them. They can get
€1.70.
What did you see at €1?
€1.70.
What did you see at €1?
For a glass of sangria.
Wow. Oh, we're going right here.
Can you help us finish doing this and we could just go with you? Are you going to the beach? Could you help us do this?
Yeah, sure. Well, just a moment.
Here comes the boy. Let's see what you
What was that? I'm sorry. What was that? I'm sorry.
It's getting better.
I get up here.
Right, I can do the shit. I'm pretty sure I can do it.
Fit. I swear it doesn't fit.
Fucking do it, alright?
Yeah, that's gonna work. It's really good. Look at it.
Just don't lay on that side, alright?
They've been struggling for like 15 minutes and you just did it in 2 seconds.
Which way is
Okay, I'm tired, dude. I left you a note.
Barcelona. Yeah. This. Ladies, darling. Yeah, this is what I look like. I'm having fun with Wendy's selfie stick. You look like you're having fun with it. I'm having fun.
I've actually never been on a selfie stick. I want to get into it.
Get in the selfie stick. I want to be part of it. Hey, people. Selfie stick.
Actually, I'll might get is that alright to use my own skirt?
Yes.
Is that alright?
Go ahead. Am I not in this video? Yes, you are. Oh, hello. Ow, my foot.
The water is extremely cold.
Just because I'm in the water.
The water is extremely
This is happening in the background right now. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go to Opium tonight. I want to go to Opium.
Are you in there? Are you seeing this? Are you in there?
I'm the queen. What?
She's the queen. We have to follow what she says.
I want a mojito for 50 cents.
Try it.
I mean, can it be 50 cents?
Ella quiere comprarlo por 50 cents.
€1?
Dos para nosotros. €1. No, €1 por dos. No, €1 por dos.
Okay. I just made a
Your video. Bye.
Fucking yeah! On a mountain, innit? On a mountain!
Mary, that's like the
Fucking
perfect picture. It's like in the cheap road.
1995!
What happened in 1995?
My mum gave birth to me! And yeah, it was really good. Well, you know, life and shit.
Are you drunk?
I'm alright.
I want to take a picture. Get down.
She wanna get in my phone, like my battery is up. My battery is low.
Your body's low?
Yeah.
Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna be there. Take the video.
You need that, I'll provide that. You will I'll be on deck. Keep it
Mary, say hi. So, guys, we have to introduce the second day of our trip in Barcelona. Wait, day 2. Day 2. I don't know if I'm in the video.
Yeah, you're in it.
Right, and I'm like,
Oh, I don't. Yeah, day 2.
we're eating salads on the beach. Yeah, we're eating salads.
Celebrating clear people.
Cheers. We gotta stay fit. So, yeah.
Party. Talk to you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.
We're in Barcelona.
Yeah, this is wine. I'm taking a sangria.
So, what we're doing now, Kennedy and Mary?
We are at De Taba Madre.
De Taba
You guys,
Madre.
it fell.
De Taba Madre.
Yeah, it's called De Taba Madre.
Like, here it is.
We're having wine.
And I'm having sangria. Hey, what you get out of the sheet? On the catwalk.
Like a hotel top. Show your bread.
Hey.
Hey. You have to say who you are.
Oh, a camera. Hey. Oh, camera's there. Hey, my name's Tom. How's it going? This is the BCN Sport Hostel.
Yeah. He's British.
There's a lot of English going on right here. As you can see, there's some LG Sport TVs right there.
He's making publicity.
If you take a look on the left, you can see obviously the Sport Hostel, obviously the most famous painting in the world.
Okay.
If you look over there, this was painted in 1942
Okay.
by an artist called SP Postal. And yeah, it's a very good.
Hello. I'm sunburnt after a day at the beach, and now we're going clubbing.
Yeah.
We're gonna take I'm like this married first.
Okay,
I have to. I go up here. Hello, people.
We're at Sagrada Familia.
That's the first time. That's the first time that we're going to visit since our stay.
Yeah, sure.
Because we're slow.
So yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Next time.
I'm here. Ooh, it's really loud.
Here too.
What are we doing?
We're about to have some sort of awesome, delicious looking Barcelonita food.
Are you excited?
I am sorry, I'm sorry. Well, look, it's here, it's here. Take a video of it, it's coming.
we're in front of a, what's it called? Torrons Artisans Dagromont, something. Dagromont. I've said it in Spanish, wait. Torrons Artisans Dagromont.
That is Spanish.
Whatever that is.
It's Catalan.
Catalan. It's Catalan. And Mary was being a tourist. She's buying whiskey chocolate.
Yep.
That's her right there. Around here.
And we're having fun in La Rumbla.
We bought gas for home.
And I have a bottle of water. So yeah, people. And don't forget to hashtag Haitian girl in Barcelona. And
No, just HIB.
Barcelona.
Why will they have
I bought chocolate. Here is Mary.
being a tourist?
I bought chocolate.
People in this country are gonna think I'm weird.
Can you
You're in Plaza Real, next to La Rambla in Barcelona. It's a nice day outside. Yeah. We got some nice souvenirs.
A lot.
People, look at this. Here we are. That means doing things. Hey guys, it's serious. We ain't drunk yet. We have to process that.
I'm doing it right now!
You only started 7 seconds ago.
I'll pull it out.
Oh,
Wait, you don't have to turn it.
night 2, right?
It's not 3.
This is night 3. It's Saturday in Barcelona, night 3. And we are having fun tonight again as usual.
We're playing
At the pool. We're not doing playing, but
hi, people. She just broke my phone. Sorry. She just broke the phone. Where's the thing? Where's the thing that was supposed to...
hi. We're back as usual.
This is the end of our wonderful Barcelona vacation.
Today's Sunday, right?
It's Sunday. This is our hostel. We're saying goodbye
And we're going back tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Not early.
to Paris. And we're full from a very delicious dinner. And so I can't talk right now. So I'm sleeping.
Barcelona, you were awesome. I had fun. Yes, Barcelona, you were fun. I had fun.
It was
We
a
met
blast.
the funniest, craziest people.
Bubble
Creepiest people. We met Bubble Butt. And then we met a lot of scary people too.
James.
James.
I hope James isn't watching.
I'm sure he's not gonna watch. He don't
James
know us.
doesn't know.
And
And
what else?
I don't know. We don't have any other nicknames.
No. We don't remember the name of the others.
Okay. Wendy, get in the video now.
No, for the second part.
Barcelona for a wonderful weekend.